in the optional mathematics of class 10. So, matrix, as you have read something in class 9 as well, matrix is actually the rectangular arrangement of numbers in the form of row and columns. When you write some numbers in the form of row and columns, 2, 3, 4, 5, enclosed by either round bracket or enclosed by either rectangular bracket, they are the symbolic representation of matrix, my dear student. But some students have got confusion why the matrix has been introduced in our curriculum. That is the main thing that some students I have found asking the questions. We have the simple rule of multiplication, addition, division. Then why do we need the matrix? So my dear students, the matrix is very useful to find the multiplication of large number in quick time. For the small number, no problem. We have the multiplication that we learned from the small classes. But don't forget, if there is big numbers, then the result that you need to find quickly is the matrix. That is why this has been introduced. The application of matrix is wide nowadays, very wide, my dear students. Don't forget. So, first of all, in matrix, you need to learn order. O-R-D-E-R, order. This is the first thing that you need to learn. I have found many students have difficulty in telling the orders. Order भनेको matrix को मा रो र कोलम कति छन् त्यसलाई त्यसको अर्डर भन्छ र मैले आफ्नो अनुभवमा चाहिँ के भेटेको छु भने धेरै विद्यार्थीहरूले चाहिँ अर्डर लेख्न सारै अप्ठ्यारो एकदम गाह्रो मानेको छ। त्यो अर्डर लेख्नमा पनि एउटा तपाईहरुलाई चाहिँ एउटा सिट चाहिन्छ भनेको खासै त्यो ठूलो कुरा त होइन। तैपनि तपाईहरुले त्यो अर्डर लेख्न जानु हो भने म्याट्रिक्सको प्रब्लम्सहरु समस्याहरु चाहिँ तपाईहरुले सल्भ गर्दाखेरि अत्यन्त धेरै तपाईहरुलाई लाभदायक हुन्छ। त्यसैले we will start matrix by learning the order now. So first of all, order is written by row first and column second, and using the multiplication sign on the middle. Order लेख्दाखेरि तपाईहरुले यो म्याट्रिक्समा रो कतिवटा छ, कलम कतिवटा छ र त्यसपछि हामीले रो र कलम लेख्छौं र बीचमा मल्टिप्लाई को साइन लेख्छौं. That is what we are talking about order. For example, मैले लेखे यहाँ a equals to 2. र मैले यसलाई यहाँ मैले ब्रैकेट पनि दिएको राउन्ड के रेक्टेंगुलर ब्रैकेट दिएको छु भन्छ पक्कै पनि एउटा म्याट्रिक्स हो. यसमा only one element छ. यो म्याट्रिक्स हो. अब यसको अर्डर भन्नु पर्यो भने हामीले रो र कलमलाई मल्टिप्लाई गर्नु. रो भनेको चाहिँ हामीले होरिजेन्टल लाइनलाई रो भन्छौं भने भर्टिकल लाइनलाई चाहिँ हामीले कलम भन्छौं. होरिजेन्टल सीधा छड्के भन्छ सीधा भन्छौं. यो चाहिँ रो भयो भने ठाडो लाइनहरुलाई हामीले कलम भन्छौं. जस्तै यसमा हेर्यो भने यहाँ one horizontal and one vertical line can be written in the matrix. So its order is 1 into 1. Row 1, column पनि 1. रो र कलम एउटै भयो भने फेरि स्क्वायर म्याट्रिक्स पनि भन्छौं. ध्यान दिनुस् होला. Now I will write next 6 0 8. ल हेर्नुस् त अब यसमा यसको अर्डर थाहा पाउनु पर्यो है. सबैभन्दा पहिला अर्डर लेख्न सक्नु पर्छ के हामीले चाहिँ म्याट्रिक्स सजिलो हो. तपाईले 9 पनि पढ्नु भएको छ. अक्सर म्याथमा म्याट्रिक्स आए पनि हामी खुसी पनि हुन्छौं. तर सानाको लागि अब हामीले अप्ठ्यारो बनाउँछौं. हामी क्लास 10 को लागि ट्राई गर्दैछौं. So look here, 1 2 3 रो चाहिँ 3 भयो into column 1 अब छैन 3 into 1. The order is 3 into 1. Okay, so now we go to next example. C. है त है 7 0 9. अब मैले यसरी लेखे. It is also a matrix, my dear students. अब यसको अर्डर लेख्नु है त. अब हामी जान्छौं होरिजेन्टल लाइन 1 छैन अब. So 1 row, now column 1 2 3. 1 into 3. The order of C is 1 into 3. अब हामी हेर्छौं यहाँ 2 1 6 3 1 7 ल अब मलाई यसको अर्डर भन्नुस् त क्यान यु टेल द अर्डर क्यान यु माय डियर स्टुडेन्ट्स ट्राई कोशिश गर्नुस् गुड 1 2 2 into 1 2 3 3 ल this is how we write order in the matrix अब यसपछि माय डियर स्टुडेन्ट्स तपाईहरुले अर्डर भनेको के हो अर्डर किन यसको अर्डर किन महत्त्वपूर्ण छ भन्ने कुरा चाहिँ आई विल जस्ट गिभ यु द एक्सप्लेनेशन्स यसको महत्त्व अब तपाईहरुले विस्तारै प्राप्त गर्नुहुन्छ अर्डर कतिको इम्पोर्टेन्ट कुरा रहेछ म्याट्रिक्समा अब हामीले म्याट्रिक्स मल्टिप्लाई जब सिक्छौं तब तपाईहरुलाई एकदमै इम्पोर्टेन्ट हुन्छ तपाईहरुले क्लास 9 मा म्याट्रिक्स मल्टिप्लाई गर्नु भएको छ you have tried matrix multiplications because in the last of matrix in class 9 there is matrix multiplications so in that case the order plays a very vital role in matrix multiplications अलि फरक पनि छ त्यसैले हामीले यो कुरा यहाँ जोड्दै छौं now the second in matrix is scalar multiplication भनेको चाहिँ म्याट्रिक्सलाई बाहिरबाट कुनै एउटा नम्बरले मल्टिप्लाई गर्ने that is called scalar multiplications अब यसको बारेमा हामी कुरा गर्छौं so the second subtopic of is scalar multiplications my dear student in a matrix scalar multiplication look here scalar multiplication okay so if a equals to 3 1 0 minus 2 is a matrix then 2a is a scalar multiplication because you are multiplying the matrix by 2 now what will be 2a okay now 2 into 3 1 0 minus 2 now you have to multiply each and every element that is called scalar multiplications 3 2 is 6 2 1 is 2 2 into 0 0 2 into minus 2 minus 4 this is the scalar multiplication my dear student so there are scalar multiplication of matrix there are matrix multiplication of matrix they both are different you have to learn it scalar multiplication do not make the difference of the order scalar multiplication ले चाहिँ scalar multiplication भइसकेपछि को आउने म्याट्रिक्स को अर्डरमा परिवर्तन गर्दैन जस्तै the order of the a is also 2 into 2 and answer also 2 into 2 scalar multiplication फरक पर्दैन but matrix multiplication मा चाहिँ फरक पर्छ that is the main thing my dear student र बुझ्दै हुनुहुन्छ so now I would like to give you to find it if b is 216 can you tell me 3b मलाई भन्न सक्नुहुन्छ what is 3b okay try 3 2 1 6 okay 3 2 is 6 3 1 is 3 3 6 is 18 very good तपाईले निकाल्नु भएको पनि एकदम सही छ that's also very good so now I have some simple problems in the scalar multiplication of matrix so I'd like to give you one by one I will not take much time I'll give you one or two examples only so my dear students so हामी अब scalar multiplication जानिसकेपछि अब यसमा कयटा प्रब्लमहरु चाहिँ गर्न सक्नुपर्छ so now I'll take you to there so number 1 example number 1 if a is 6 1 2 3 and b is 3 2 1 3 find 5a minus 2b ल यस्ता खालको क्वेशन्सहरु चाहिँ हामीलाई कहिलेकाहीँ सामान्य रूपमा सर्ट क्वेशन्समा पनि आउन सक्ने हुन्छ so we have to be very तर एक ठूलो कुरो छैन है it's very simple 5a भनेको तपाईहरुले जान्न सक्नुहुन्छ ए छ 5a 2b छ हामी त्यसलाई चाहिँ सब्ट्र्याक्ट गर्छौं so listen here now my students so first of all 5a भनेको कति लेखौं हैन 5 6 1 2 3 so please have multiply my students that is 30 5 10 15 great now second 2b now 2 and b is 2 3 2 1 3 okay can you yes 6 4 2 6. Now finally we have to find the result by 5a minus 2b. 5a means, now write directly, 30, 5, 10, 15, minus 6, 4, 2, 6. Now, corresponding subtraction, my dear students. Corresponding means first minus first, second minus second. Now let's let it go third. Third minus third, fourth minus fourth. Okay. Now 30 minus 6. Can you tell? Very good. 24. 1. 10 minus 2. 8. And it's 9. This is how we do, my dear students. Scalar multiplications. Understood? And this is the result of scalar multiplications. Now I'll give you one homework, and then you have to submit me your homework. And that is your homework, okay? Now, the homework is, if C is 217 and D is 11, 16, 19, find D minus 3C. This is your homework, my dear students. And when you come to the next class, you have to submit me your homework. Till then, goodbye. Read and give your feedback. Keep watching Great TV. Thank you.